Dear friends, have you ever voted for a candidate or party because they gave a powerful speech, promised freebies, or just felt right? Later you think, Arey, why did I do that? You are not alone here. Most of us vote with our heart, not our head. But science says this is why we regret our choices. Today, as a responsible citizen, I am sharing the best proven evaluation method backed by real psychological, medical, and scientific research. This 5-step system helps you cut through hype, avoid tricks your brain play, and pick the right candidate or party confidently. Stick till the end. This could change how you vote forever. Let's make India stronger together. Think of voting like buying a new phone. You don't just buy because the salesman smiles and says best ever. You check reviews, battery life, and past models. Is it not? But in elections, we often fall for the smile and big promises. Why? Our brain has two systems. As Nobel Prize winner Daniel Kahneman explained, thinking fast and slow. Now the system one is fast, emotional, automatic, like wow, that leader looks strong, or everyone is voting for them. System two is slow, logical, effortful, the thoughtful one. Research from psychological science and neuroscience shows appearance bias. We judge leaders by face, jaw in 1 second. Even monkeys do it in studies. Then bandwagon effect. Polls make us follow the crowd. The next one is confirmation bias. We only hear news that matches our side. Then halo effect. One good speech makes us ignore bad track records. So the result? We ignore facts and feel angry later. Studies prove fact checks reduce wrong beliefs by 8 times more than misinformation spreads. The good news is you can train your brain to use system 2. The best recommended method, a simple 5-step evidence-based evaluation checklist. It is not my opinion, it's drawn from political psychology research, fact-checking studies like PNAS global experiments in 4 countries, and real voter guides. This works for candidates and parties. Ready? Let's go step by step. Now step 1 is pause and list your real priorities. First, sit quietly for 5 minutes. Ask yourself, what 3 or 4 issues matter most to my family and country in the next 5 years? Jobs, education, inflation, roads, environment. Write them down. Don't let party slogans decide. The scientific tip here is this fights motivated reasoning. Our brain twisting facts to fit feelings, proven in cognitive dissonance studies. For example, if inflation hurts your pocket, make it number 1, not just charisma. Then, step number 2 is ignore hype. Check past track record, like retrospective voting. Promises are cheap. What did they do before? Search official voting records like Lok Sabha site, state assembly sites, or apps like PRS Legislative. Look at past 5 to 10 years. Did they deliver on similar promises? Budget used properly? Scandals? Research shows retrospective voting, that is, judging by past results, holds leaders accountable better than future dreams alone. Then, now this one is relatable, like checking your maid's past work references before hiring. For parties, Check manifesto versus actual governance in states they ruled. Then step number 3, fact check every claim. Use trusted tools. Every speech has big numbers. Verify them. Use neutral sites. Factcheck.org style. In India, you have Alt News, Boom Live, or government data portals like data.gov.in. Compare with official statistics, RBI, NSSO, census, then global studies like PNAS 2021 prove fact checks actually change beliefs and reduce support for misleading politicians even across parties. No bias here. Check both sides equally. This kills confirmation bias. Now we have step number 4. Compare policies objectively with the evidence. Make a simple table. Even 4 notes will do. Candidate or party versus B. Issue number 1. What they promise plus proof it worked elsewhere. That is real data, not ads. Then issue number 2. Cost. Feasibility. Science says use a decision matrix, scorecard. Say 0 to 10 score per issue. This reduces emotional bias. Psychology research on structured decisions. Remember, ask who has a realistic plan backed by experts, not just emotion. Now step number 5. Assess integrity and consistency. This is the final check, the last one. Character matters for long term. Do they change statements to suit audience? Transparent funding? No criminal cases with proof? Consistent over years? Psychology research, that is halo effect studies, show we forgive our side too easily, force system too, score honesty too. If score is low on facts but high on emotion, remember it is a red flag. So why this works? We'll see with the bonus tips. This step is recommended because it forces a slow thinking. Kahneman. Fact checking works on multiple global studies. Track records predict future better than speeches. The bonus point here is discuss with family, friends, neutrally. Deliberative democracy research shows better decisions. Vote early. Use your checklist on polling day. As a responsible citizens, you have power to make democracy work. Next election, don't vote emotional. Vote evidence-based. Your one smart vote shapes your children's future. Like if this helped and share with friends and family. Let's spread responsible vote. Subscribe for more simple science-backed life tips. Hit the bell. Thank you. Vote wisely, India. Jai Hind.